Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to swap on Aerodrome Finance. For that you need to launch your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and in the search bar you will have to search for Aerodrome Finance. Once done, you will be able to find the aerodrome.finance website where you are going to see this swap button. So you need to tap on swap and then you will be landed on the official swap page of Aerodrome Finance. Now over here you will have to connect your wallet with it. So you will have to tap on the connect button in the top, and here you will be able to see a bunch of different options to connect your wallet. So if you have a Coinbase wallet, then you will have to tap on connect with Coinbase wallet, but if you have any other wallet, then you can tap on connect with wallet connect, and there you just have to select your wallet that you have. Let's say you have Coinbase wallet, so you need to tap on connect with Coinbase and then you need to tap on open with external app. Then it will redirect you in your Coinbase account, so you will have to tap on the connect button, and this way you will be able to connect your Coinbase wallet with it. Now once you have successfully connected your wallet with Aerodrome Finance, you can start the swapping process. In the first section you will have to select the coin that you have, and in order to search it you will have to tap on this drop arrow button, and after that in the search bar you will have to search for the coin. So let's say you have Ethereum in your account. So after selecting Ethereum, in the fourth section you will have to tap on this drop arrow button, and let's say you want to convert it into the Aero coin, so you will have to select Aero coin. After that you will have to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to convert into Aero, and then it will show you the equivalent amount of coin that you will get. After that you will be able to see a swap button over here, so you need to tap on swap and then you just have to conclude your transaction. This way you will be able to easily swap on Aerodrome Finance. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.